All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the BMW Performance Center West for their Cars and Coffee. This is in conjunction with a toy drive with Toys for Tots. So if you bring a toy, as you can probably hear behind me or in front of me, you get a hot lap in an M3. So sliding around. But there's lots of special cars that have shown up here today. So we begin with the E34 M5 wagon. Just look at this thing. Beautiful. It's like maybe Calypso red. The forerunner to the G99 M5 Touring. Coming to the US market, finally. So manual transmission. Got some modifications to the engine bay. And we got another E34, actually no, take it back, E28 M5 with some Alpina wheels.
So wait, why isn't this car legal in California?
Just look at this.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking the same thing when you were trying to get out. How do you escape?
Manual transmission, really clean. And of course, another Z1, this time in the green. Name of the color is escaping me, but manual transmission based on the E30. Slide down doors. Awesome.
Oh, it's the production. You can buy them in Europe.
All right, now we got the G82 M4 GT4 race car.
You got Montana there, Montana
So
there.
you can actually take a course and drive this thing around.
That's what I want to do. And you could buy them too.
Yeah, you need a race license though.
Put that here.
True.
Well, that's my lottery thing. If I did that, I would have.
Yeah, good choice. So they got them open so you can attempt to hop in. Of course, the hard part is getting out of the car. And then we got the G87 M2 decked out with performance parts. So it's got almost everything on it, except for, I've never seen it yet in the US market, is the wing that goes across the top there, sort of like an E36 lightweight or GT. And of course, center lock wheels. You can get these, but they're super expensive. And of course, you also need a very expensive tool to get them off and on. Looks real nice, decked out in the Performance Driving School livery. Then we got a couple of the Rolls-Royce Spectres, suicide doors. Looks a lot like Java Green, but obviously it's not Java Green. And G60 i5, M440 Grand Coupe, iX, M60. Then here are hot laps. So we've got a line there for hot laps, 3 at a time with your professional drivers. We've got the Rickster, we've got Brian Randall, we've got Chris Hill. Now let's make our way over to the lineup that BMW has provided here. So Student Metallic Z4 M40i is not the manual transmission, it's not the Hans Schalter package. Purple over its Oyster Vernanska, really nice look. Then we got a Frozen Portimao Blue M2 with the silver 930Ms. It's like an Aventurine Red M3 Comp. Sao Paulo Yellow M4 Comp. We got the F92 M8 Competition Coupe. Frozen Pure Gray X3 M50 G45. This is Indian or Gentian Blue X4 M Comp. And then my kind of favorite here, It's a secure orange. X5 M60. Individual paint. Very bold. And then the XM. Then we've got another M4 GT4. Now we got what looks like to be an F33 4 Series convertible, an M8 Competition Coupe, frozen dark gray X3 M50, my signal green M3CS,
I didn't know either. I'll start telling people. I'll be like, well,
E46 M3, an F30, M3 Comp, older X6, and another 4 Series convertible, G20, Long Beach Blue X4. Looks like an F10 M5, Silverstone F80 M4, an F80, F90, Corvette. All right, so obviously it's a very crowded field over here, so I'll try and make it quick. And we got a 6 Series convertible. And lots of interesting cars out over here. All right, so we got a Polestar. It's like a wrap. This is very metallic, gold-looking color. We got a, looks like a 996 Porsche. Some American muscle here. An E30. 325 IS, I think. Complete with car seats in the back. Perfect. All right, try to do it 2 at a time here. Some GMCs. Got an E90 over there. G80. E92. And you have some interesting Toyotas. Boxster, Mustang, F10, 5 Series there, E92, F82, and this Alpina B8. We got these hot laps coming in hot. And over to my right, looks like we got a Chalk GT4. Maybe a Nardo Audi. Got some Subarus here. Honda Civic, a Merc. A Z missing half the front bumper. Civic SI. G20. Looks like someone had a boo-boo with the G80. And some Camaros down there. I think they all congregated together. But that's it for a tour of Cars and Coffee at the BMW Performance Center West. As a reminder, we do have an event here with the club, January 26th. You can find that on our website, gtcbmwcca.org. Look for the events. Just a full day here. $790 bucks. Get you behind the wheel of the world's fastest car. In other words, a rental. please come join us. You'll have fun driving the latest M cars. See you at the next video.